Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. So today we are going to solve problem number 3027. Find the number of ways to place people 2. Okay. So yesterday we solved find the number of ways to place people 1. Okay. So it's kind of same problem. Okay. Just the wordings are different. I will tell you. Please go watch my previous video. You will get the understanding. So I'll just show you one demo here. Okay. This is the previous problem we solved yesterday. Okay, if you have not gone through the video, I have put the description in the link. You can go and watch it. And I'll just copy the code here from here. Okay, I'll just copy this. Okay, and we'll paste it here. I'm doing nothing. It's the same problem. Everything is same. What we did yesterday, it's same only. Okay, and we'll just run it. You can see, and I'll show you by submitting also. It completely working fine. Okay. Okay. Now this one is working in big of n cube time. Okay, n cube. So I'll show you slightly better approach with this implementation only, nothing else. So I have detailed explanation. I will in detail explain. We'll go through the problem and try to understand this also, and then we'll do some minor changes in this code, and our problem will be done. Okay, it's same. So let's try to read first. Okay. So you are given a 2D array. Just a second. Yeah. So you are given a 2D array of size n into 2 representing integer coordinate of some point on the 2D plane. Okay, it's same like they have given a plane and some points on that. We define the right direction as positive x-axis and the left direction as negative x-axis. Similarly, we defined up direction as positive y-axis and the down direction as negative y-axis. Okay, there are four directions going. That is simple. Okay, you have to place n people, including Alice and Bob at this place point such that there is exactly one person at every point. Alice wants to be alone with Bob. So Alice will build a rectangle fence with Alice position as the upper left corner. Okay. So we want Alice position to be upper left corner. Okay. And Bob position to be lower right corner. Okay. So they are telling that this is Alice and Bob should be somewhere in the line down here somewhere or straight here also. This can be Bob's position. Okay, these all are the valid Bob's position, I will tell you. Okay, note that the fence might be close. Okay, they're telling it can be a line also or can be a rectangle also. Return the number of pairs of point where you can place Alice and Bob such that Alice does not become sad. Okay, so here Alice becomes sad if between them points if someone is there. If I keep here someone like Ravi, okay, then Alice will become sad. So we want to find the same thing. Like we want to find 2 points making a rectangle and then no other points are there in that. That's all. That's all that we need to look into it and find it. Okay. So we'll take a note here. Note that Alice can only build a fence with Alice position in the upper left corner. They have given Alice should be in the upper left and Bob's position should be lower left corner. Okay. In the previous problem yesterday we saw that we are having this one point and in the left corner, right, we need to find a left corner, upper left corner. So it's the same thing, just they have changed the terminologies like with Alice and Bob here. Okay, it's the same thing. I'll just erase this and we'll try to read. Okay, we'll try to see some examples. Okay, so you see here we cannot make it. It's the same example that they are used in the previous problem. Okay, you see this one they are making. This one is valid. Okay, because this is Bob down and this we can consider as Alice. This is also valid. This is Bob and this is Alice. If we consider this as Bob and this Alice, then one point is coming in middle, so this is not valid, so we're not counting that. So answer is 2 only. So it's the same thing we are doing, just we'll change some references and things in our code so to make it better. Okay, initially we are sorting in decreasing order. So let's do one thing. I'll take one example and show you it. Let's go to board for that. Okay, we have this example. before that, see, we have this third loop also for checking if the point lies between or not. So we'll just try to remove this also. I'll show you that. Okay. So let's take, so we'll just sort this first by x-axis. Okay. So it will become like 2 comma 6. Okay. 4 4, and it will be 6 2. Okay, we have sorted it with x-axis. Okay, the x-axis will come first. So in this case we are considering the first point to be Alice, and then we'll find the Bob, next Bob. Okay, so first I will take four variables for this. Okay, x x min, okay, equal to, we will initiate with 6. Okay, then I will take x min is done, y min and y max. Y min will be as of now infinity because we can take minimum anything, and y max, this is minus infinity. Okay, and y max will be maximum y that we can do is sorry, this one we are taking as Alice first. Okay, so 2 6 equal to 6. Okay, so this will be our bounding range of the rectangle. Okay, now we'll make an array. We'll just point 2 comma 6 4 4 and 6 2. So you get it why I sorted it. So whenever we are looking at the right hand side of this, as of now this is Alice. So we'll be looking at the right hand side, not the left hand side. That's why I just sorted it. Okay. So let's do one. I will show you by iterating it, and then you will get an idea out. So first we took 2 and 6, and we check some conditions. So the conditions are like x min, that is 2 in this case. Okay, should be less than equal to the next this one, the 4, the next point x. Okay, so I will take this as Bob as of now. So this is Alice standing, and Bob should be at the right hand side because they are telling us right bottom, right? So for being at the right hand side, the x-axis should be at the right or greater than or equal to. And what about the y-axis? Y-axis should be less than the maximum and greater than the minimum. So y min should be less than equal to, again with 4, and y max should be greater than equal to 4. So y max, so this is the y, so it should be less than y and greater than minimum. So these are the conditions we are going to look. Okay, and if these conditions are satisfied, then we will do our answer plus plus. This is our answer equal to 1. Okay, with doing this we'll also update our x min and y min. Okay, max will be same only, max will not update. So what will be our x min? X min will be 4 directly. Okay, and y min will be also 4. Let's do a second iteration for it. Okay, I'll just erase this. Okay, I'll remove this Bob because our Bob will be this now. Okay, let's take this. So what is our x min? It is 4, correct? So what was the condition? It should be greater than 4. So yeah, that is correct. It's greater. So this condition is satisfied. What is the next condition? Y min, it should be greater than this also, min. So my min is our 4, 4 as of now, and it is greater than equal to, we are taking 2 here. Is it satisfying our condition? No. So this condition is not satisfied, and we cannot add this. Okay, because if we add this, this 4 4 is inside that rectangle. So we want something that is between 6 and 4 now. What is our y min? So y max is 6 and y min is 4. So we want a point inside this, then only we can make a point with Alice. Okay, so in this way we can confirm that no point is between that, and in single iteration we are doing it. So our iteration is, will not add anything, will not update anything. Okay, I'll just remove this also, this also. Okay, got it, hope you get it. Then we will remove Alice and Bob position also. Then Alice becomes this and Bob becomes this. So what will the x mean? X mean will be 4, y max will be 4. This is minus infinity as of now, and nothing else. Our answer is 1 only. So we'll take this point now. Now Alice is this, not this, and Bob is this. Okay. Now we'll check 4, that is less than equal to 6. That is true. That is correct. Then the 2 is less. Sorry, the 4. So what is the y minimum? Okay, yeah. 2 should be greater than equal to minimum. That is minus infinity. This is also correct. And 2 should be less than equal to, I'm taking this 2, okay, this 2 should be less than equal to 4, and that is also correct. So it's satisfying all three conditions that it should do, and it's making this rectangle perfect, and we'll just update the answer. So our answer is 2 here. Okay, hope you get it. Let's go to the code, make the changes, and we are done with that. Okay, hope you get it. So in this we are removing that third loop which we are trying to make, trying to iterate for, just checking if there are some points between that or not. Okay, so first we'll change some sorting. We'll be sorting with x actually. So if a b equal to 0, we'll do this b and a. See, if we have something, why I will tell you. Okay, suppose I have a 2 point, okay, and 2 1 point. Which one I should keep it first? Okay, obviously if we are taking reference to Alice, I want Alice to be first in our sorting, so I will sort in descending order by x. If x is same, then only I will do y in descending order. That's why I've written this line. So I'll just change it, descending order on y axis, on y axis, and I will make this ascending order on x axis. Okay, order on x axis. Okay, now we will take 4 points again here. Okay, so int x min. Okay, then y min, then y max, y max. Okay, so y max will be, okay, that is correct. We'll remove the third loop. Okay, we don't want this third loop. We'll just remove it. Okay, we are okay with these two loops. Okay, x min, let me check. Okay, that is correct, I of 0. Okay, x y minimum is I of 1. That is not right. We need to take integer dot min value. Okay, integer dot min value, and point is also correct. So these are the bob point. Okay, x2 and y2, and we are writing now our conditions. If what we want x min should be less than equal to x2, our first condition, and y min, y min, what our y min is doing, y min should be less than equal to our y2. So we are tackling that y2 in that range, and y2 should be less than equal to y max. Y max, these are the three conditions that we want. Then only we can say answer plus plus, and we will update our x min equal to x2 and y min equal to y2. Okay, so these are the small changes we need to do, and we can just run it. Okay, we have a issue in this, I think. Let me check the code. Did we do the sorting correctly? Return a of 0, b of 0. Yeah, this is correct. B of 1 minus x will be upward. Yeah, this looks fine. Okay, x min. Okay, I plus 1 also fine. Okay, let me check this. Okay, I think I get the issue here. So the issue was, I'll just remove this part. Okay. So issue was we are updating this, right, x min, and we are taking a condition is equal to. So in that case, it is also, I'll just do a print, okay, yeah, and try to run it. So you see in this case, first we are taking this one, that is, sorry, 1 and 3, this one, and we are comparing it with 1 1. So that is correct. But for 1 3 it should not go, because for 1 3 it will overlap, okay, but it's still going because of our conditions. So we need to change, because this one should be wrong actually. Okay, so we will change few things. We'll change the initial one. We'll take -1. This will take +1. Okay, and here instead of equal to signs, we will remove it. Okay, if we just remove this equal to, then it should be greater, means in that bound it should be. It's not, the condition was it should not overlap in the rectangle also, but we have not taken that condition, it's overlapping also. So I just remove it, and I'll remove this one also and try to run it now. So now I think it will work correctly. Yeah, it's working. Let's try to submit it. Yeah, it's working fine. So let's analyze this part. Like you see, we are running two loops, 1 and 2. So it will be n square. We're also doing a sorting, that will be log n. Okay. So n square is bigger, this will be neglected, and the time complexity will be big of n square. Similarly, if we don't consider this sorting space, right? If we consider it, it will be big of n, and if we don't consider it, it will be big of 1, the space complexity. Okay, hope you get the problem. It was very easy. It was same based on the similar one. And if you have any doubt, please comment down. I will try to help you. Thank you.